Whether you're picking the next restaurant you want to visit or you're trying to hire a mechanic, one of the first things you probably do is look up their reviews on Google. An often overlooked but useful feature is the contributor reviews page. This page lets you view all the reviews from a local guide or top contributor that you trust. You can look up a reviewer, also known as a contributor, to get recommendations for new restaurants, hairstylists, and other businesses that you may want to patronize. If you're a business owner, marketer, or app builder, this data can help you discover trends and unlock insights to give you a competitive edge. You can use this data to train your AI models, conduct data analysis, or power your application like I did. Using the scraped data from SerpApi, I was able to quickly spin up a front end that provides users with recommendations from their favorite contributors. It allows users to sort the reviews by date, rating, and distance, features that Google doesn't even have right now. Today, I want to show you how to scrape all the reviews from a Google Reviews contributor and turn them into clean, structured JSON that you can use anywhere. I'll give you a demo using our online playground and then show you how to do the exact same thing using code. Before we get started, make sure that you've created a free account on SerpApi.com so that you can get access to 250 free search credits. Next, head to our online playground. You can find it by going through our documentation and clicking on the playground link, or clicking the link in the description below. Just make sure when you're in our online playground that the engine is set to Google Maps contributor reviews. To scrape the reviews of a contributor, all you need to do is enter their unique contributor ID into the search bar here. You might be wondering where you can find that unique ID. And so what you have to do is go to the unique contributor that you want to scrape reviews from and go to the URL. It's the ID after the contrib /. So just copy this over and paste it in here. Contributor IDs are also included in some of our other API responses. For example, the Google Maps Reviews API scrapes all the reviews for a particular business on Google Maps. And within the JSON response, you're going to see the contributor ID that's associated with the contributor of that review. By default, this API returns 10 reviews per call, but if you want more than that, you just have to enter a value in the num parameter. This Google Maps Contributor Reviews API can return up to 200 reviews per API call. Within about a second, you should be able to see the JSON response returned to you here on the right-hand side. The response is going to contain data about that unique contributor that you want to pull reviews for, as well as an array of all of their reviews. Now, let me show you how to do the same thing using code so that you can integrate this API into your code base. I'll assume that you've got Node and a basic project set up. If not, check out this video that will take you through all the steps of setting up a basic project. And of course, don't forget to copy over your API key from the dashboard and into your env file. You can obviously make this GET request any way you want, but since we've already imported the SerpApi library, we'll just use the getJSON function. And since it's an async function, we'll have to use the await keyword as well. This API has 3 required parameters: the API key, of course, the engine, and the contributor ID. So this is obviously going to be the API key from our env file. The engine is going to be Google Maps contributor reviews, and the contributor ID, like I mentioned before, we're going to get that from the URL. Now let's console log the response and run the file. I'm going to use the JSON colorizer package because it makes the data easier to read in the terminal. So it looks like the API call was successful as expected. For the sake of readability, let's just loop through each of the reviews and print out the title of the business as well as the snippet, which contains the text of the review. So now I'll just paste in a chunk of code that's simply going to loop through each of the reviews and console log the title, rating, and review. So let's try that and see what we get. Looking at the response you get back from SerpApi, you can see that the reviews here accurately reflect the reviews on the Google Maps contributor page. With an average response time of just over 1 second and a 99.8% success rate, SerpApi's simple-to-use APIs dominate the web scraping market with unmatched reliability and performance. SerpApi makes pulling data from the web insanely easy, and you no longer have to waste time dealing with Google's changing layouts, getting IP blocked, or having to solve CAPTCHAs. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment below or contact us at contact@serpapi.com. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.